Hello everyone, today we learn about solar eclipse. What is solar eclipse? A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the earth and the sun, blocking some or all of the sun's light. This creates a shadow on earth, temporarily darkening the sky during the day. These are the umbra and penumbra. The umbra and penumbra are the two parts of the shadow created during a solar or a lunar eclipse. The umbra is the central darkest part of the shadow. During a solar eclipse, it's the area where the moon completely blocks the sun's light from reaching the earth, resulting in a total eclipse. Penumbra is the outer part of the shadow. During the solar eclipse, it's the area where the moon only partially blocks the sun's light from reaching the earth, creating a partial eclipse. There are different types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular, depending on how much of the sun is covered by the moon. Let's see each one in detail. Let's see total solar eclipse. It occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, blocking out its light entirely. During a total solar eclipse, the sky darkens and the sun's corona is visible. This makes the sun and moon appear almost the same size in our sky. Total solar eclipses are rare events that happen only when the sun, moon, and earth are aligned perfectly. In a partial solar eclipse, the moon only partially covers the sun, creating a crescent shape. During this type of eclipse, only part of the sun's light is blocked. Partial solar eclipses are more common than total eclipses and can be observed from a broader geographic area. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is too far from the earth to completely cover the sun's disk. As a result, a ring of sunlight remains visible around the moon, creating a ring of fire effect. Annual eclipses happen when the moon is near its apogee. That's the farthest point from Earth in its orbit. Here you can see all the three types of the solar eclipses. As you can see, during a total solar eclipse, the moon completely blocks the sun and sun's corona becomes visible. And in partial eclipse, a small portion of the sun can still be seen. During the annular, the moon does not completely block the sun but creates a ring around the moon. You can create a solar eclipse simulation at home. It can be a fun and educational activity for your kids. Here's a simple way to do it. First of all, you would need a flashlight, small round object, and a big round object, tape, or a string. If you have a white wall, it's better, or else any light colored wall works. Now, follow the instructions on the screen and create a solar eclipse simulation. It would look something like this: a flashlight, and I've used a Christmas tree decoration ball and a football. So, you can set it up like this. What's the importance of studying solar eclipse? It helps us learn more about the sun and the amazing things that happen in space. Scientists can use solar eclipses to study the sun's atmosphere and how it affects our planet. Watching eclipses help us learn about the universe and inspires us to explore science and space even more because it's super fun. But remember, it's also important to stay safe and protect our eyes while watching eclipses because the sun rays during the eclipse harms our eyes. Here are the upcoming eclipses. April 8th, it's going to be a total solar eclipse. October 2nd, it's going to be an annular solar eclipse. And in 2025, March and September, there's going to be a partial solar eclipse. Here is a video of a solar eclipse for you. Thank you everyone. Hope you liked this video and learned about the solar eclipse. Let me know if you need this presentation. I will send you the PDF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.